Welcome to your own channel. Today I am going to talk about that how can we find out the quantity of a steel with different formulas. So let's get started. If you remember these formulas, whatever the dimensions are given, if it's in feet, if it's in our meter, inches, you will easily find out its weight. So here are three formulas. If you remember these all three formulas, it will be so helpful for you. The first one as volume multiplied by density kg per meter, the second one as d square divided by 162 kg per meter, and the last one as d square divided by 533 kg per feet. So let's do some example on these formulas. The first formula is volume multiplied by density. So assume that we have 12 mm of bar and its length as 13 meter. So the formula is volume multiplied by density. So let's find its volume, which is pi d square divided by 4 multiplied by length and then multiplied by density. So the density of the steel is 7850 kg per meter cube. So just put the values on the given formula. Pi d square divided by 4, which is 12 square divided by 4 multiplied by 13, because 13 is the length of the steel bar, and then multiplied it to the density, which is 7850. So that will equal to 11.557 kg. Now let's try another formula. Assume that the dia of the bar is 12 mm and the length of the bar is 13 meter. So just put the values on the given formula, which is d square divided by 162 multiplied by length. That is the second formula which I told. So the dia is 12 square divided by 162 multiplied by 13. 13 is the length of the steel bar and 12 is the dia of the steel bar. So it will give you 11.55 kg. So if you compare these two formulas, the dimensions are same. If you see here, the dimensions are same, but we have used two different formulas and the answers are same. So it's depend on you. You can use both formulas. Remember that if the length is given in meters, so you can use these two formulas whatever the dia is given. First you have to convert these sotar or inches or centimeter or millimeter. You have to convert these all into millimeter. After that you will put the dia on the formulas, because some people are doing mistake. They just put sotar or inches instead of mm. So remember that whenever you are using these formulas, you have to put mm in the given formulas. You have to put the dia in mm. Okay, so let's try another formula, which is d square divided by 533 kg per feet. On the above two formulas we are using for the meter. I mean when the length is given in meters, so we will use the previous two formulas, but now this formula is used when the length of the bar is given in feet. I mean when the length is given in meters, so we will use the previous two formulas, but if the length is given in feet, then we will use this formula, which is d square divided by 533. Okay, assume that the dia of bar is 16 mm and the length of the bar is 40 feet. So just put all the values on the given formula, which is 16 square divided by 533 multiplied by 40. You will get 19.21 kg. That's it. If you remember these three formulas, so you will easily find out the weight of any length of and any dia of bar which is given. You will easily find out its weight. But remember that you have to put in these all three formulas, you have to put the dia in mm. Just don't put the dia in sotar or in centimeter or in inches. You have to put the dia in mm, so your answer will become correctly. That's it for today's lecture. If you are new to my channel, so do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.